Hello, I'm Elias from Breakdance, and in this video I take you for a little trip to Macau to MSD Dance Studio to show you some 4K slow motion footage in 120 frames made by the DJI Pocket 3. It's really impressive, especially what this little camera is able to do in high frame rates in indoor light situations. Check it out. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more about this little crazy gimbal camera, subscribe to the channel because I will be soon releasing a video about the tracking capability, in particular for dance and 240 frames footage in full HD. If there's something specific you want to know more about this camera, just leave me a comment. I will try to cover it in the next video. Thanks a lot and see you soon. Peace out.